300 DPI is a lie. Because everybody's obsessed that the file has to be 300 DPI. No one cares what is the DPI of the file. The DPI is how many dots are per inch, which is only calculated once you put it on a product. So just look at the pixel size of something, and if you have 3000 pixels by 3000 pixels and you put it on a 10-inch canvas, you get 300 DPI. And 300 DPI, as much as it became the industry standard, it's an industry standard for selling printable wall art, not for print on demand. Because many print on demand products are good with 150 DPI. And I was showing that in that video because I was literally ordering products on purpose that were under 300 DPI and showing their quality. And I think I also did it, wait, I have some stuff here. I did a video about Maker. It's a free tool to create avatars, so things like this.
Yeah.
So the size was extremely small, but it's good enough for a sticker. And then I was actually showing how I printed it on a t-shirt. And the DPI, I think, was 160 or 150. And it was still good. Yeah, I have the blue hair, don't care now. Even though I need to refresh it. But I do know that a lot of people like come into this with these notions of what is DPI because they hear it, for example, on a video, or they make assumptions. But the truth is, even if you go onto Printful right now and you put a product in, it can say on a lot of different products, 170 DPI, good quality.
Yeah. No, I always tell people that as well. Like upload it to wherever you're selling and see what it says in terms of the quality. And yeah, 150 is enough in most cases.
Depending on what? On a canvas, no. Canvas is like a normal print canvas, a stretch one. 270 would be the lowest I would go.
Okay.
But shower curtains, even if you look to Zazzle, I think they have a list of like the pixels and the DPI that you need. Shower curtains, 150.
Yeah, I think there's a lot of misinformation and confusion with that topic. And I have had that question a lot as well. Like, my file is not 300 DPI. What do I do? But anyway, so that's an interesting insight that you tested it as well.
I like testing things.
Yeah. I can tell. I think we could carry on talking about all your tests forever.